and then you got fucking left out. That's what the fuck happened. So don't fucking piss me off. Fuck you, and don't look at me like that. You stupid ass. The fuck? I'm fine. I'm sorry.
No.
Don't fight with me as well. You don't fight with me as well. Don't fight with me as well. I didn't do anything wrong. Yeah.
Just leave.
Yeah, it's fine. Now they're laughing, stupid ass bitch. Your crutches. I hate white women because they're stupid. Don't look back at me, you stupid bitch.
Please. They're gonna call the security.
They're gonna call the security because I'm black?
Please. Don't make it worse. No, don't make it worse. Just let it be.
Okay, I'm calm. I'm sorry. That's exactly what happened. I'm okay. It's just not nice experiencing that and just like feeling like I didn't do anything wrong though. So why are you behaving that way? And then when I do react, then everyone else comes to the old women with the crutches who